Hi everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how to connect any TP Link Deco unit to your laptop using an Ethernet cable. To do this you need to have at least two Ethernet cables, the Deco unit itself and a laptop with Ethernet port or external Ethernet adapter. Before establishing wired connection with your computer, you have to set up Wi-Fi network first. So make sure your Deco unit is connected to a power source and the LED indicator is flashing blue. Now let's take a look at the back panel of your Deco unit. Here you have some Ethernet ports. The number of ports is depending on your Deco model. Each of them can work as input and output, so no matter which port you use, you need to connect the Ethernet cable, and the other end connect to the internet source. It can be your Wi-Fi router, your modem or LAN socket in the wall. So connect your Deco to the internet. And you have to continue on your smartphone because this is the only way to set up this device. So on your smartphone, open your respective application store and install TP Link Deco application. Then open this app, agree to the terms and conditions, continue, allow to find devices and local networks. It's very important, so tap on allow here. Now you have to log into your TP Link account or create one if you don't have. Let me log into mine. Log in. Allow to send notifications. Let's skip two-step verification setup for now. We can do it later. Now tap on Let's Begin on this screen. Allow to find Bluetooth devices. This also can be helpful. It's looking for Deco. If your Deco is not found, you can scan the QR code on the bottom of the device. Just tap on this scan icon. On the bottom of your Deco you can find the product label, and you can scan this label and add Deco manually, like this. Another way to connect, if you see this screen, we couldn't find your Deco, you can tap on Connect to Deco manually. Then open your Wi-Fi settings. And you need to find the Deco network over here, Deco 8888. You can find the Deco's name on the product label as well, so the names should match. So tap on that. It's connected without password for the first time, so go back to the application. It's connected to Deco. Tap on Set up the Deco and create a network. So if you don't have a modem and you connect in your Deco directly to the LAN socket in the wall, tap on this button, I don't have a modem. Otherwise, if it's connected to router or modem, tap on this arrow. Now restart your modem and tap on Modem Restarted. Then where do you place this Deco? Let's say in living room. Tap Next. You don't have to change anything here. It's everything detect automatically. Tap on Next. Now enter your network name. And create a password. I'm using simple password for this example. You can create stronger password if you need. So tap on Next and wait until this line fills. It's creating your Wi-Fi network. Deco wants to join your new Wi-Fi network. Let's allow, join. Deco is now online, and if you have more Decos, you can add another Deco or hit down and you're all set. Now take the second Ethernet cable and plug it into any Ethernet port on your Deco, and the other end plug into your computer, just like this. Now on your computer you can see that Wi-Fi icon over here is changed to Ethernet connection icon. If that didn't happen right away, just wait a few seconds or click on that and disable Wi-Fi over here. So now you can measure speed. You can go to Control Panel on your computer, go to Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center. And here you also can see that you have the Ethernet connection. You can click on this connection, go to properties, diagnose, manage it, and so on. That's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button to support us. Any questions, comment below, and see you in the next videos. Bye.